For Lesson 6, we are going to draw rows and columns to determine the area of a rectangle given an incomplete array. Let's take a look at number 1. It says each square represents 1 square centimeter. Draw to find the number of rows and columns in each array. Match it to its completed array. Then fill in the blanks to make a true equation to find each array's area. So let's take a look at letter A. We are going to finish the lines as best as we can. So I notice that the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. I notice the width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. So now I need to match it with another array that has 6 as the width and 5 as the length. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that letter A matches with this one. So my statement will say 6 centimeters times 5 equals 30 square centimeters. Now I want us to take a look at letter C. So it may look a little bit funny on your paper, and that's just the way it printed out. So complete the lines so that you have 3 as the length and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as your width. So now you're going to look for the same array, and we see that up here. So now we're going to mark it as 3 centimeters times 5 centimeters equals 15 square centimeters. Now I want us to take a look at letter D. We're going to complete the lines as best as we can. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as our length, and 1, 2, 3, 4 as our width. So there's actually a mistake with this one, and we need to add on another column. So instead of 5, we now have 6, and our width still stays the same as 4. And that is going to match with the second one. So we have 6 centimeters times 4 equals 24 square centimeters. Let's take a look at number 3. It says the tile floor in Brandon's living room has a rug on it as shown below. How many square tiles are on the floor, including the tiles under the rug? So first thing is I'm going to write down my formula for area. Area equals length times width. Now let's determine the length. Count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. But it looks like the rug is covering part of it up. But if I look at the top, I see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my length is equal to 10. Now I'm going to take a look at my width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my width. So now I need to solve for area. Area equals length, which is 10, times the width, which is 9. So what is 10 times 9? Pause the video while you work to figure out the area. Don't forget to put your label. Replay when you are ready to check your work or if you get stuck. So area is equal to 10 times 9, which is 90 square. And if I look back, it says that they're using square tiles. So I'm going to write square tiles. So I'm going to write this as a sentence. There are 90 square tiles in all. Let's take a look at number 4. It says, Abdul is creating a stained glass window with square inch glass tiles as shown below. How many more square inch glass tiles does Abdul need to finish his glass window? Explain your answer. So what I'm going to do is I see that they drew me a picture. I'm going to complete the picture by finishing off the rows, and then I'm going to complete the columns. Now, I'm only going to pay attention to this part of my rectangle. Okay, now I need to determine what the area of that part is only. So I know the area equals length times width. Let me count to see what the length is. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is my length. The width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So area is equal to 5 times 6. So what is 5 times 6? Solve to figure out the area. Don't forget to put the unit down and to write your answer as a statement. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready to check your work or if you get stuck. So A equals 5 times 6. 5 times 6, I know, is equal to 30. Square, and then it says that he used tiles, so I'm going to put tiles down. Now I need to put this as a statement. So how many more square inch glass tiles does he need? I'm going to write he needs 30 square inch tiles. So your assignment is a little bit different than what is told on this page here. So we already completed number 1A and we did not complete letter B. So you're going to complete B. We already did C and D, so you're going to do B, E, and F. And then you are also going to do number 2. When you are finished, check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. When you're finished checking your work, put it in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Next, grab an exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it. Put it in the turn-in tray when you're done. If you are not finished, then it is going to be homework for tonight. See you tomorrow.